CLSK Stock Analysis Tuesday onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this brief short 1-minute video. Looking at CleanSpark, I'm here to tell you is that I've saw a decent correction on Friday. And with this in mind, I'm just looking to double down and buy more. Even if I come out here with CLSK, you can see how many previous receipts I've actually gotten. Quite a lot if you ask me. And here to tell you that I'm still looking to double down. You can see like I've got this previous long when it was 705, 750 actually, 70.5. Here is the proof, aiming for 9.5, and now we're in a, this is prime example. We are in a demand zone, but why the heck would I force buys if no rules are still met, right? Be patient, man. That's more so me talking to myself, because I'm guilty of this as well. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and you get my free emails. Goodbye.